Hello, it's Stu Sensor here one more time to hit you up with today's phrase, which is tend to. Tend to. So, we can use tend to in two different ways. The first way is when something usually does something else. So, for example, my train back from work. My train tends to get busy around 5 p.m. That means my train usually gets busy around 5 p.m. So that's one way to use it. The second way to use it is when you need to take care of something or someone. For example, my mum may be sick. I can say, I need to tend to my mother because she is very sick. I need to look after her. And another example is, say you have a lot of work, you could say, I have a lot of work to tend to. That means you need to do a lot of work. So those are two examples, 3 examples of the way you can use tend to. Hopefully that's very useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!